1969 Dodge Charger 500. This is a controversial but crucial inclusion. A correct, numbers-matching Hemi Charger 500 is a six-figure collector's item, and far from worthless. However, a cheap Charger 500 project is one of the worst investments in the entire muscle car hobby. The unique, hand-modified parts that make the car special are also what make it a financial black hole to restore. The Charger 500 was a limited production homologation special built for NASCAR, featuring a flush-mounted cornet grille and a unique flush rear window plug to improve aerodynamics on the super speedways. Only 392 were produced for street use. These unique aero parts are virtually unobtainable today. A project car that is missing its specific grille or rear window plug is essentially just a modified Charger RT, and the cost to fabricate and correctly install these parts is astronomical. A bargain Charger 500 is almost certainly a trap, either a fake clone or a legitimate basket case missing its most valuable and irreplaceable components. This is a car for experts with deep pockets only.